Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. So I will share with you, if I would like to share with you how you can, it's a very simple remedy guys, and I want you guys to wish my son happy birthday guys. I hope you are going to like it. Let me know what you guys you think. If today's your first time of seeing this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, share this video, okay? So let's go straight to it. So guys, in order to make this yummy salted caramel cake, we need golden syrup. So you can get any brand of syrup you like, okay? I love this brand. There's 1,000 of the syrup that you can get, but it has to be golden one. So, and along with the brown sugar, all right, and we're gonna use butter. So first of all, we have to go ahead and do the same thing. So before you think of baking or making any baking, you have to always make sure your butter is always and your eggs is always in room temperature, okay? So you'll be able to get the consistency. All right, so the first we're going to be having the brown sugar, okay guys? So it's very simple, and it's a simple and straightforward remedy. So the last bit, I'm going to be adding my golden syrup, all of them guys. That is really nice. I've been baking this over, let's say, more than 5 years now, and my son's birthday is always spongy caramel, golden caramel, you name it, I make that name up myself guys. So we call it sponge caramel cake. Love it guys, give it a go. You're gonna, your children gonna like it guys. You want to put your gas or your electric cooker on a lower temperature, okay? So I'm going to be leaving this. Please you keep stirring it until all the sugar and the butter melts. So guys, you continue to stirring it, you continue until they all melts and combine. They all melt and well combined. So we're gonna set this aside. What we need the whole warm milk. I love full Irish milk, okay? So this is not light milk, it's the full whole milk, okay? So we need 3 large eggs. So what I used to do, I used to separate my egg. So we're going to be combining everything together. So guys, you whisk it very well until they all combine, and then gonna mix them together, the liquids. Combine. The next step, we need self-raising flour, right? So just go ahead and be careful. So I'm going to be sieving it through because of all the lumps. So guys, don't worry, you will know what is okay, what you really want, okay? You keep sieving them. Love salted caramel as well. So guys, as all the whole combine, they all mix together, very easy remedy. So because we use self-raising flour, we have to be rushing and go straight, and we're going to be divide them into 2. You have to preheat the oven as well. So I'm going to go ahead. All right, I'm making a lot of mess here, guys. Believe me, I'm making loads of mess. I wish you can see all the mess I've already made today. So we're going to make another cake. We're going to make 3. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and make cupcake. The rest is going to be cupcake. So guys, the next step, we're going to be making our salted caramel butter. So all we need is very simple and easy to make a caramel salted. It's very easy to make a caramel salted butter. Okay, so all we need is white sugar and 1 cup of water until the water is covered, and you are going to be leaving your electric, and you don't have to stir in it, and you are going to be leaving your gas cooker or your electric cooker to low temperature. So please, when you are making this process, please guys, you don't have to walk away. You have to stay there, or else your caramel butter will be dead burn, might burn away. The cupcake is done. It's very hot, and you have to be careful in order to know that if the cupcake is done. You have to make sure the stick is going through. You can see the cupcake is done. So you have to have milk. You have to be very careful. It's very, very hot. You really have to. So you have another milk. So guys, I have to transfer from the big pot to here because it's smelling burn. So as you can see, it's cool. So we have to remember to add 3 tablespoons of salt because it's salt caramel we are making, isn't it guys? So that should be enough because I'm used to make this, so I know exactly what type size of, well, I know exactly the quantity of the salt I really want. So just follow it step by step. To make a caramel, salty caramel is very, very easy. Now you can see the coffee colors. Then you can, if you still want more milk guys, you can still go ahead and add tiny bit, like 1 tablespoon of milk. So just be careful stirring it, mix it well, combine it together very well, and add a little bit of milk and with salt. And if it's smelly very, very burnt, you can transfer the caramel, salty caramel, to another saucepan like what I did because it was so smelly. So I have to really, really transfer it to this one, and then you have to be careful, it's gonna get burned, and that's it. So guys, I've already mixed my creamy, all the decoration. This is what I'm going to be using, is a buttercream. I have the buttercream on my page. If you want to know how to make your butter icing cream, go to my page. I've made it previously. So guys, remember the caramel, salty caramel, the one we've already made. Frankly, lift up this. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add a little bit of it to mix with my decoration. Okay, so we just need a little bit to just change the color, and you can do without, but if you want to make a salty caramel milk, you need the caramel inside the salty caramel butter. You need the caramel inside the butter. So this is how it's going to look, and you want to mix it very well thoroughly. And remember guys, we've already had salt, we don't need salt, so that's not going to be too salty. And guys, I'm going to use this to whisk it again and there. So guys, my caramel cake is done. How are you going to know if it's done? You have to put the stick through, you poke it through, so you will see there's no water. So at this point now, I'm going to go ahead and decorate my cake. Then I will show you the caramel, how to make your own caramels salted, how to make your own caramel salted butter. I'm going to show you that part, but at this point I'm going to go ahead and make all the decoration. Then I'll be right back. Know how do you make your caramel salted cake? So this is how I make my caramel salted cake. So go ahead and make any design you want, and this is my salted caramel cake. I want to know what you guys you think. If you get it or if you don't get it, I want to hear from you guys. Let me know your dressing, and thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video for everyone. Thank you so much guys. Stay blessed. Bye for now.